Hello everyone, let's create a navigation menu on your WordPress blog. My name's Theo McArthur. I've been blogging for 20 years and teaching blogging for around 5 years. Okay, let's go and do it. Okay, so we are in the WordPress dashboard. If you go to the menu on the left, go to Appearance, Menus. When you come to this page for the first time, you won't have any menus set up and you will see a tab or a button that says Create a new menu or Create Menu. So click on that. Give your menu a name. Now it's important to know that different WordPress themes have different amounts or numbers of menus. Some WordPress themes only have one menu, some have two, some will have more than two. This particular theme is called the Human theme and it has 4 menus. The first menu that you will want to create is the main navigation menu. So this is the menu that appears at the top of your blog, usually below the header image, above the header image, but in that vicinity. So I would call this header menu or main navigation, something that indicates to me that it is the menu that appears at the top. So when you've created the menu, you can then start to add pages to that menu. If you haven't yet created any pages, or you have no posts created on your blog and nothing at all, you won't have anything to add to the menu yet. So when you do get to that stage, you can come back here and add the pages that you want to add to the menu. And to do that, simply tick and select the pages that you want to add to menu. Once you've done that, you can drag them around if you want to change the order, like so. And if you want to create a drop-down menu, so for example, if I take this page here, Wildlife Crime, if I wanted to create a drop-down menu from that page, I could simply move these across, like so. These 2 pages now become sub-pages or sub-items, which will show as a drop-down menu on the blog. Now that is how easy it is to create menus, but once you've done it, don't forget to click Save Menu. And then you can go ahead and create another menu. If you want to create a footer menu, for example, footer menus appear down at the bottom of your blog in the footer, as you would expect. And a footer menu would usually have pages like Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy. And to do that, to create another menu, simply click on Create New Menu again. Go through the same process, but once again the pages need to be created first before you can add them to the menu, and that's how simple it is.